So this is Eureka Math, Grade 4, Module 3, Lesson 32 with Mrs. Fuska. The learning target for today is that I can solve a multi-step division word problem and understand what the remainder represents in real life. So this is really important because if I have leftover candy, I'm going to give it to Mrs. Fuska, or if I have leftover cake, I can give it to Mrs. Fuska. So we need to know what the leftover or the remainder represents. Okay, remember yesterday we talked about that there are two types of division word problems. One is the group size. We already know that there are 4 groups or 6 groups or 9 groups, and we just need to know how many things go into those 9 groups. Or, so we say we have 300 students and we're going to put them in groups of 7, and we need to know how many groups. Well, we don't want to write 7 50 times. We want to just write a 7 and see how many groups that we're going to end up with if we divide the 300 student into groups of 7. So that would be the number of groups. Okay, remember that each word problem needs 3 things: the tape diagram or diagrams if we're comparing things, equation or equations if we're doing maybe 2-step, there'll be more than one equation, and then your answer sentence. And sometimes we're answering 2 questions, so you might have 2 answer sentences. In this problem 1, it says one day 4th graders at MAK baked 849 cookies. The cookies were divided evenly into 9 boxes to be delivered to the hospital. A few cookies were left over, so they gave them to Dr. Kim. So how many cookies did Dr. Kim get? We want to see how many were left over. So we know the number of groups. We know that there were 9 boxes. So this is we're trying to find how many were in each box, the group size, and then what was left over. So you do this in box number 1 on your worksheet, and I will do it here, and then the teacher will turn this back on and you can check your answer. Remember your 3 things that you need to have: tape diagram, and I've drawn this for you so you draw it. You need to have your equation, and you also need to have your answer sentence. Okay, so remember in box number 1 to have these 3 things. Okay, so I did my problem and there were 3 cookies left over, so Dr. Kim got 3 cookies, and 94 cookies went into each of the 9 boxes. But my question only asked how many did Dr. Kim get, so that is what he got. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, in this problem, there were 807 students who signed up for a race in Kaohsiung. If they put 6 students on each team, and on my tape diagram, how many teams were made? Now, I know that there were 6 on each team, so this is actually a number of groups. How many groups of 6 will they be? So this is how I drew my tape diagram. Okay, so I'm answering a couple of questions. How many teams were made? And then it says then the remaining students had to judge the race. How many students served as judges? So I drew my tape diagram, and now I will have 807 students divided by 6, and that will tell me how many teams that we had for the race, and then the number left over will be the judges. So go ahead and do this in box number 2, and while the teacher pauses the video. Okay, we do the division here. I did not write the long division because of my space, but if you had 807 divided by 6, because there were 6 students on each team, we would have 134 teams and 5 students would be judges. Okay. Now what I would like for you to do is I'd like you to put up your folders and take your exit ticket quiz. Remember to go carefully, double check your answers, make sure you have a tape diagram, make sure you have an equation, check your equation to make sure you're dividing correctly, and then the third thing is make sure you have a correct answer sentence. Okay, After you finish that, go to IXL, and today I would like for you to go to Diagnostic Grade 4 and do the diagnostic until it takes you back to the starting page. If you finish a diagnostic section, then go to one of the recommended skills, and you can choose which one you would like to go to, and do this until the teacher asks you to put your Chromebook away. Okay, focus and do a great job today. Thanks.